If you drink bay leaf and oregano tea every day, this is what will happen to your body. You will reduce the size of your stomach quickly. This tea has great digestive properties that alleviate stomach discomfort and reduce gas buildup, making your stomach look flatter immediately. Additionally, the diuretic properties of bay leaf will reduce body inflammation caused by fluid retention. And if we also add cinnamon to this recipe, it will not only improve its flavor, but the cinnamon will help reduce appetite throughout the day, making it an excellent natural sweetener to help us lose weight. To make this drink, just follow these steps. Add half a liter of water to a pot and heat on high until it starts to boil. Then lower the heat and add 2 cinnamon sticks. You can also use ground cinnamon. Add 3 bay leaves and a large tablespoon of oregano. Cook the ingredients on low heat for 10 minutes, then simply strain the mixture and the drink will be ready. How to drink it? Have a cup of this drink, hot or cold, half an hour before your first meal. Do this for 7 consecutive days, and if you like the results, you can continue for another 7 days. You will be promoting the repair and proper functioning of your digestive tract, reducing fluid retention, and promoting weight loss. If you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.